Hey there! Are you ready to learn something new? Like how to convert math riddles into equations. Watch this video and you'll be able to understand math riddles easily. Complex riddles like below. Let's take a look at the challenge. If 21 is added to 4 times a number, the result is 57. Sounds confusing? Well, let's unravel this. Every algebraic equation starts with a variable, so first we need to define the variable. Let's use x to represent the number we're trying to figure out. When we say 4 times a number, it represents 4x. And when we add 21 to that, it becomes 4x plus 21. We know that entire expression is equal to 57. So it becomes 4x plus 21 equals 57. We have our equation now. 4x plus 21 equals 57. Our mission: to isolate x and determine its value. Sounds intricate? Don't worry, we'll navigate this equation together. To achieve this, let's subtract 21 from both sides. Like this. Now we have 4x equals 36. To reveal the value of x, divide both sides by 4. Like this. We have the value of x now. X is equal to 9. We've discovered that our elusive number is 9. It's like solving a mini mystery using math. I hope this deep dive clarified the art of translating word problems and solving algebraic equations. Algebra can be like learning a new language, but with practice and understanding, you'll become fluent in no time. If you want to learn much more, explore the channel. Click on subscribe button. Hit the like and bell icon. Bye friend.